I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Stellaris like a pro. To begin, focus on rapid expansion in the early game, aiming to claim at least 20 to 30 systems within the first 50 years. Prioritize research into key technologies like improved resource production and faster starbase construction. Building a strong, balanced economy from the start, with a surplus of at least 20 energy credits and 10 minerals per month, is crucial for sustained growth and military strength. As you transition into the mid-game, around 100 years in, specialize your planets to maximize their output, dedicating some to energy, others to minerals, and some to research. Develop powerful fleet compositions, ensuring a balanced mix of ship types, perhaps a 2-to-1 ratio of cruisers to destroyers. Secure strategic choke points with upgraded starbases, each boasting at least 6 defense platforms, to protect your core systems and project power. In the late game, typically after 200 years, prepare for potential endgame crises by building up formidable fleets, aiming for at least 300,000 fleet power. Construct powerful megastructures like ring worlds or Dyson spheres to gain immense resource benefits. Always maintain technological superiority, ensuring your research output is at least 500 points in each category per month to stay ahead of any challengers and secure your galactic dominance. For advanced pro tactics, master diplomacy and espionage to gain crucial advantages, perhaps by forming defensive pacts or sabotaging rival economies. Optimize your empire's ethics and civics to synergize with your playstyle. For example, choosing fanatic materialist for a research-focused empire. Adapt your strategies to different galaxy types, whether it's a spiral galaxy with natural choke points or a dense elliptical galaxy. Effectively utilize trade and federations to boost your economy and influence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.